Come test drive the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, power windows, MP3 player, power door locks, daytime running lights, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, engine block heater, pass-through rear seat, telematics. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.